Hi my beachy little friends, today I'm drawing Bluey and Bingo finding a beautiful seashell by the sea. It's a story filled with sand, laughter, and ocean magic. Before we begin, tap the like button so their seashell shines even brighter. The sun smiles above the beach, and Bluey runs with Bingo by her side. Their paws leave tiny prints in the warm golden sand. "Let's find treasure," says Bluey with a big grin. Give this video a like if you love searching for hidden treasures too. Bingo points near a rock, her eyes wide with excitement. "Bluey, I see something shiny," she says loudly. They rush over and dig carefully with their paws. Tap like if you love discovering cool things outside. Bluey gasps as she pulls out a sparkling seashell. "Wow, it's so shiny, Bingo," she says joyfully. Bingo giggles, "It looks like a rainbow inside." Press like if you've ever seen a beautiful shell before. The waves come closer, splashing softly at their feet. Bluey listens closely to the shell pressed against her ear. "I can hear the ocean singing," she says with wonder. Give this video a like if you've ever listened to the sea in a shell. Dad walks toward them holding a towel and snacks. "What did my little explorers find today?" he asks kindly. Bluey holds up the shell proudly. "Look, Dad, it's magic." Tap like if you love showing your parents something special you found. Bingo hugs Bluey tightly, smiling from ear to ear. "This is our best day ever," she says softly. Bluey nods, "because we found the ocean's secret together." Press like if you believe every beach day can be magical too. As the sun sets, Bluey and Bingo sit close, watching the glowing waves. They hold the shell between them, whispering their wishes to the sea. "Thank you, ocean," Bluey says with a happy smile. Before you go, tap the like button if you'd love to search for seashells with Bluey and Bingo one day.